Hi. In this video, we'll learn how to hide photos in the gallery on a Redmi. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Passwords and Security. Then tap on Privacy Protection Password. You'll be asked to enter the password used to unlock hidden photos and videos. If you haven't changed it before, it's the same as your phone's lock screen password. Now go to Photos. Tap on Use. Choose the photo you want to hide. Tap on the three dots. Select the option Add to Album. A pop-up will appear. Tap on the lock icon. Then press OK. As you can see, the photo has been added to the hidden album. To view the hidden photo, go back. Select Albums. Then pull down the screen. It will ask you to enter the password. Here you will find all the photos you have hidden. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.